Assalamualaikum. Thank you to Sir Muhammad Fauzi and Sir Sharizan because give me chance to present about my project to know current flow in series circuit. Okay. First, connect to supply positive flow R1 and then from R1 current can flow to diode 3 and then function diode is a switch in circuit diagram. Okay. After that, diode 3 out to R2 and R2 flow to diode zener and function diode zener is limiting voltage. Then out diode zener go to capacitor 2 and function capacitor is keep current in circuit. Next out capacitor 2 connect to diode 4 and diode 3. Then diode zener go to diode 2 and diode 1. For output, diode zener and R3 connect and LED on and voltmeter B read current voltage. For output, oscilloscope connect to R3 as label oscilloscope is B and label A flow to supply AC and then waveform is out in oscilloscope. This is oscilloscope. Waveform. That's all from me. Thank you for listening.